I can't believe I got grounded for giving Princess Rosalina a concussion at school. What am I going to do now? I have an idea. I'm going to destroy the washing machine. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Alright, I'm in the bathroom, now to destroy the washing machine. Yes, I destroyed 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 the washing machine.
Dark Hydro Buddy Bro, we heard that you destroyed our washing machine, is this true?
Well, you're going to be so furious when I tell you, but, yes, I destroyed the washing machine.
Dark Hydro Buddy Bro, how dare you destroy our washing machine? Now we need a new washing machine because of you.
I strongly agree with your father. You are grounded for the rest of the month.
Go to your room right now, and don't come out until dinner time.
Yes, y'all. Sorry, y'all.